We're here right now in the state of BUE24, following the accusation of the state of WEDO that there was some unexplained seismic event.
BUE24 is accused of conducting a nuclear test by our neighbor WEDO. We're trying to prove a negative.
Our main objective was try to also to challenge the inspection team, to try to stay in a very, very realistic situation in which they will have a state that is not happy to have them.
We here for the scientific evidence that prove they perform something that inconsistent with the treaty or not.
The build-up exercise is a chance to do an inspection and be able to present results to show if there has been a nuclear explosion.
It's a relatively tight time frame, so we have only really a few days to get everything out of the door once an outside inspection has been approved.
We're here the first day, first afternoon is setting up our base of operations. So I'm working with the crew setting up the base of operations working area tents.
This exercise doesn't start on day one. So the inspection team has been going around already for more than 20 days around this area. So we're giving a tour to the inspection team so they get familiar with the activities that they conducted during those 20 days when they were not here.
We are setting up the antennas because we need the communication system to be up and running before we start the exercises.
Only during the exercise, the participants will fully understand what will actually going to happen, and they will see situations that they have not expected before.
We are taking soil samples from these concrete cylindrical pipes that we think it may be leading to some sort of underground structures.
We're doing a low-resolution gamma backpack survey of the entire area. We were allowed to go to a smaller area than what we hoped, but we managed to do the survey of that part. The report hopefully be a bit of the big puzzle that we put together to try to find out what has been happening in these areas.
For seismic monitoring, we use a few seismic monitoring stations. We harvested data yesterday. Today our mission is to analyze these data.
When the field teams come back from the field, they are checked together with the equipment through the decon line. If everything is okay, samples are handed over to the lab custodians.
This is what we have been training for many, many years, but this is the first time we are exercising the entire system.
It prepares us to be able to work together, to have one goal, one voice.
The OSI, in its nature, is unique in a way that all team members need to set up and they need to take down their camp and their operations themselves.
Whenever there is a request for an on-site inspection, then we need to be ready and we need to be going there immediately. And this is all to make sure that also member states understand that it's really super important.
We have proven that all the things, how they are working together, it also produces results, and the results of these inspections would prove that it is working.
If individuals from all over the world coming together, collaborating, and this collaboration create great things, this could also work in the international capacity. And this is the main message here.